Welcome back! Yesterday, a new paper-based flow pack solution was introduced. Let's finish this week off with a solution which is in our portfolio for many years and we have a lot of experience with. The paper top PDBE 90 micron XX peel and the paper bottom Q 330 micron. It's one of our paper-based thermoformable solutions and counts to our range of sustainable solutions made from renewable material. It is perfect for packing sliced processed meat or sliced cheese. Also, it builds on more than 75% renewable content. The formable paper bottom has a paper share of 85%. If you prefer 90%, no problem, get in contact with us. Like in all of our paper solutions, we only use FSC certified paper from responsibly managed forests. With this, you can even state a 77% reduction of plastic. In order to reach our goal to become carbon neutral by 2025, another argument is the CO2 footprint reduction of 55% compared to standard thermoform solutions. Depending on national regulations, the solution might be disposed of for recycling via paper bin. Our experts can support you in any questions about recyclability. There are already so many solutions that we've presented since the start of this launch series on the 7th of May, and we're not done yet. On Monday, we'll come back to reduced and recyclable solutions. Thank you for watching, stay tuned and see you next week.